You are going to love the 2020 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.